Today's the day. Let me get my phone. Okay, got it. Let me message Anna and Elsa. Let me go make the breakfast. Okay, let me get up. Oh, I forgot to clean up these dishes last night. Okay, what shall we make? Okay, I made pancakes. Let's go upstairs. Let's wake up the girls now. Wake up, we're going camping. Oh yeah. This is delicious. Girls, I'm glad you like it. It's Lottie and Lily. How are you? Come in. Oh, thank you. Oh yay, they're here. Are you guys excited to go camping? Yeah, we are. How about you? Yeah, we are. Okay, Anna, this is the camper. Okay, Anna, this is where the kids sleep. In here they have got a TV, a bed/sofa, and their own little window. Girls, you can come in. Yippee! I love this movie. Well, this is the good part. Girls, it's time for bed. Okay. Good night. Watch this. Camper up. Oh my gosh, it's a makeshift bed. Okay, it's bedtime. Good night. Good night, girls. Good night. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for more.